Hey, I'm Adnan. My AI systems run inside businesses doing over $200 million a year in combined revenue. And today I'll talk about Claude Opus 5. So Anthropic just shipped Claude Opus 5 yesterday, and every AI channel on this platform is covering the benchmarks today because that is the typical thing to do. But I want to talk about one line in the release notes instead. It has nothing to do with coding and it reaches straight into your MER reporting. So here's the line from Anthropic's own release notes. Much stronger at verifying its work and iterating carefully until it succeeds. Now I want to talk about the job that you're actually paying for. Basically, nobody pays an analyst to just pull numbers. That doesn't say anything. Exporting a report will take 10 minutes and basically any intern can do it, right? So you are paying for what happens when the numbers disagree with each other. So let's say we have a same campaign in the same week and we have connected three tools together and they can give us three different answers. Like we have Meta Ads Manager, which may report 4.2 as the ROAS, return on ad spend. The Northbeam may report 2.4. Triple Whale can report 3.1. So what you actually act on is the 2.8 blended MER. Somebody has to do that before you touch spend on Monday, right? So what actually got changed in the landscape after Opus 5 dropped? So Opus 5 got better at checking its own work. On Zapier's automation benchmark, it passes at about 1.5 times the rate of the next best model. And on computer use tasks, it beats Fable 5's best result at just over a third of the cost. How cool is that? And the price did not move at all. It is the same as Opus 4.8. So if you're using Opus 4.8 in the production right now, the cost difference is basically zero. And why does that matter here? Reconciliation is a verification problem. The old failure mode was confident nonsense. It would merge three exports and hand you a number it quietly made up and you wouldn't even know. A model that checks itself flags the mismatch instead of averaging it away. That is the difference between a report you trust and one you recheck by hand. So what should I wear up today? Judging the landscape. Pull, reconcile, flag, and same day read. It pulls from each platform on a schedule with no exports and no spreadsheet. It will compare the same campaign across all three and find where they split and why they split. It will flag the gap, name the likely cause, and give you one number with a confidence note. And you'll read that with your morning coffee instead of on Thursday afternoon. So the line item is a marketing analyst runs $85,000 a year. That is roughly the 2026 US average I pulled in this data. And e-commerce specialists run higher than that. And Opus 5 cost like $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. A daily 3 platform read lands somewhere near like $100 a month in tokens. The honest part here is that this does not tell you which number is true though. Those 3 tools disagree because they measure slightly differently and not because your model was dumb. Incrementality is a measurement problem and no model release fixes that, to be honest. So what you get back is speed and consistency, not truth. And the whole takeaway of this video is that the reporting was never the expensive part. You need to automate the reconciliation and you need to keep the judgment for yourself. So if you're still reconciling 3 dashboards by hand, don't do that. It's 2026. We can build great stuffs at this point to make your business streamlined and much easier. So comment down below with your thoughts, or if you want to talk with me, if you want my help to implement such AI operating systems into your businesses, I'm very happy to help you out. So the link will be in the description. And in this channel, I'll talk about AI systems for DTC brands, new system breakdowns every week, and also the news and what's happening in the industry at this point. So subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and check the playlist for the full stack. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.